How to buy crypto on Binance. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can buy crypto on Binance. So in order to buy crypto on Binance, first of all make sure that you already have an account, and then to begin with, open up or log into your Binance account. Once you're logged in, this is going to direct you to the home page. So right on this page you'll be able to see the interface something like this. So just a quick reminder, before you buy crypto on Binance, you'll have to make sure that you have enough funds and also make sure that you have already added a payment method. Now then, to begin with, tap the transfer button located right at the bottom right in center. Click the buy button. As soon as you do that, you'll be asked to select the crypto that you wish to buy. So I'm going to go with Bitcoin. Next page, it's going to ask you to enter in the exact amount that you wish to pay. So for that, enter in the exact amount and select the currency type as well, and click the buy button located right at the bottom. Now you'll need to select the payment method. So in my case, I'm going to go ahead and select the Visa and click the confirm button. Next page, it's going to ask you to enter in the exact amount of Bitcoin that you wish to buy or the cryptocurrency that you wish to buy. Enter in that, and then lastly you'll be notified with a statement that you've successfully bought crypto on Binance. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.